sit together and listen, learn, involve in activities as well as being part of a great personality who is here with us, who is going to give us his perspective about being a teacher and how that teacher is going to be very effective in classes. As you all know, CBSE is demanding us to go for various trainings because they know that teachers are lifelong learners. Being a teacher doesn't mean that we need to end all our studying right there. Once we get a BA or once we finish up with our MPhil or Masters or whatever, we are done, we are a teacher. That thought is completely gone out. And every day is a new learning experience for us. And we have to learn so many things, especially we are working with human beings, children, not just files. So every day is a new day for them, so there will be changes. So as we always discuss in our meetings, we need to be implementing, we need to be transforming ourselves to the need of the children so that we know them, we are with them. Today, it's my duty to welcome this eminent personality, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar, here in our school, guiding you, leading you with his thoughts on teaching. I heard of Sir a long time ago, almost 2-3 years I started hearing this name, and I was always wondering to go and be part of his programs. But I was, due to my time constraints or whatever, it didn't happen. So I was so excited when I heard my friend Subodh saying that we need to work with teachers, and especially with the current situation of training is important. Why don't you think of Dr. Srinivas? So I was so happy to see him here, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. Let me give us a little bit of information because I cannot say the things he do now. But you may be wondering who he is. He's a doctor, so he's not. Maybe you may be wondering, he's a medical doctor. No. So let me start giving a little bit of introduction and then formally welcome him. He's working with children and teachers for a very long time. He's a writer, educationalist, the public speaker, is very much involved in science and is himself called science communicator. That's a very nice term I heard. Spiritual director, life and soft skill trainer, psychotherapist. And he's also author of 2 wonderful books which I was holding in my hand last 2 days and I was reading it. One is Life Made Simple and Life of Love. Both are books you can read whenever you want to read. You can just pick it up, you can start from any page. It gives you a lot of insight about so many things, about life, about spirituality. And I was holding this book, I was reluctant to hand it over to Sharani to the library because I wanted to hold it for 1 more day so that something new will be popping out of that book for me. Anyway, sir, it's a privilege and honor to have you here with us. Formally welcome you to this wonderful program. And he was here with us today with the effort of my friend Subodh as well as Mr. Murugan. And even though Subodh is not here with us today, and Murugan, welcome to our program. Subodh's wonderful wife is here today attending this program, Priya ma'am. Thank you for being here, and also a big thank you for Subodh sir. I don't have to extend my speech at all at this point of time. Let me formally welcome each and every one of you.
And then put it like this, whether finger to finger you can touch. Now take it back. Look down, close your eyes. 0 മുതൽ 10 വരെ എണ്ണുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഒന്നുകൂടി ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം, ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. Try once again. Take it down. Now 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, don't touch it. 9, ഒറ്റ മൂവ്മെന്റ് പാടും. 10. Okay. Turn back. ഇപ്പോൾ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇങ്ങനെ തൊടാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? നമ്മുടെ ഇടത്തെ വിരലിന് അറിയില്ല, നമ്മുടെ വലത്തെ വിരലിന് അത് അതിബുദ്ധിയാണ്. വക്രബുദ്ധി, അതിബുദ്ധി എന്നൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഹലോ, ചിലർക്ക് അബദ്ധത്തിനൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഇത് കള്ളത്തരം കാണിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 10 പ്രാവശ്യം താഴത്തിറങ്ങി മുകളിൽ കയറി വരും. കേട്ടോ, അതാണ് പണിഷ്മെന്റ്. അങ്ങനെ തിരിഞ്ഞേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിക്കാം. 0, 4, 6, 8, 9. അത്ര എളുപ്പമല്ല, ഡോണ്ട് വറി. 9 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ പോലുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Because you don't practice it. What is our buddhi? The buddhi depends on what we practice. You understood? സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് കൈ വായിലേക്ക് കുറേ പ്രാവശ്യം പോകുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ആരും പറയാതെ എന്ത് കിട്ടിയാലും നേരെ വായിലേക്ക് പോകും.
It was a nice class because not only the motivation for our profession, being a psychotherapy assistant, psychology also, we had a certain personal solution for the problem. So thanks sir, and in the afternoon session, apart from the lecture, we had certain games. Actually that was a great, as he said, psychologically we can get any solution for the problems that we have faced. Being a woman, we are having more than 1,000 hands. That is, being a mother, being a professional teacher, we have many roles. So definitely the session.
How much mark you will give it to you as a mother?
As a mother, myself, my whole life I account only for my children to say. Okay.
Are you a 100% good mother? Ask yourself. Are you a 100% good
We are
mother?
all trying, isn't it, teachers? We are all trying. That is not only being a housewife, because we are engaged in a professional also, we have to counter both. We have to give to the importance of the profession and the person life. So that's why I said we are trying.
Life is balancing different roles.
Uh,
Life is balancing different roles.
So that's why I said we need more than 2 hands to balance both, along with our hubby, along with us, isn't it? So many things we were able to learn from this session. Anyhow, it was a nice class. Thank you, sir, for coming here and spending a lot of time. From this SDV
Which
school.
subject?
Myself is social studies.
Social studies.
Yeah, of course.
So from other school?
Anyhow, thank you for giving us this good class, and definitely this will be a great help for us. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Anybody from other school?
Good evening, everybody. It was really a great feast for all of us, isn't it? Yes, because as a human being, what one man can achieve in his life, it's really remarkable, and we are all gifted that we got this man during this workshop. During this class, yes, workshop. And we cannot forget this day because he taught them what we can do, what we have to do, what we have to try to do. So from next day, from tomorrow, I will surely do. Out of 100, 20 things I will surely do. And the rest of others, 80 things, I will try to do. As a mother, as a teacher, as a human being. Thank you.
Which school?
Myself Bindu and Kumar from Jayashakti Public School, Kangalore.
Some other schools?
ഇത്രയധികം മൾട്ടി ടാലന്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പേഴ്സണെ ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കാണുവാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിനില്ലാത്ത ഡിഗ്രികളില്ല, പിന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ മേഖലകളില്ല, കൈവയ്ക്കാത്ത മേഖലകളില്ല. ഇത്രയധികം അറിവിനെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്ന, ടീച്ചിങ് ഒരു പാഷനായിട്ട് മാത്രം കാണുന്ന ഒരു വ്യക്തിയുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇന്ന് ചെലവഴിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. സാറിന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി അറിയിച്ചു. സെൻറ് ജോസഫ് സ്ഥലത്തുക.
Which of the other